Hello friends and welcome back. So today we will understand about cloud computing and different cloud deployment models. Understanding these models is important for choosing the right cloud environment for your needs and organization, right? What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is a technology that allows you to access and use computing resources like servers, storage, databases, networking, software over the internet. Instead of relying on local servers or personal devices to run applications and store data, cloud computing enables these functions to be performed on remote servers hosted in data centers around the world. This means you can leverage powerful computing capabilities and vast amounts of storage without needing to own and maintain the physical hardware, right? For example, cloud computing include web-based email services like Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook, online data storage like Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, and other platforms that allow for the deployment and management of applications like Netflix, Spotify, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter. All these are cloud-based services. Cloud deployment models define how this cloud infrastructure is owned, managed, and accessed. We have four deployment models: private cloud, community cloud, public cloud, and hybrid cloud. We will discuss each one by one. Before we move ahead, let us understand what are the factors to consider when choosing a cloud model. Some of the key factors are security. How sensitive is your data? If your data includes sensitive information, you need to ensure it's properly protected, right? Like data encryption in cloud. I have made a detailed video on encryption and how it works, which you can go and watch for better understanding. Scalability. How much does your workload fluctuate? Scalability refers to the ability to increase or decrease resources or load as needed. Cost. What is your budget for cloud services? Budget constraints are a significant factors in choosing a cloud model. The cost includes not just the initial investment, but also ongoing operational costs like renewals. Flexibility. How much control do you need over the environment? This includes the ability to customize and manage the infrastructure, right? So let's discuss all the cloud models now. Private cloud. A private cloud is a cloud infrastructure that is only operated for one organization. It can be managed by the organization itself or by a third party and can exist on-premise or off-premise. For example, a bank with highly sensitive financial data might choose a private cloud for maximum security and control. What are some of the factors to consider before choosing a private cloud? Control and security. Since it's dedicated to a single organization, there is a high level of control and security. It can be more expensive due to the need for dedicated resources. Private cloud may not provide the same scalability as public clouds. Risks of private cloud include limited scalability and higher cost, as maintaining your own infrastructure can be expensive. Community cloud. This model is shared by several organizations and supports a specific community with shared interests. For example, consider a group of universities working on a joint research project. They could use a community cloud to share resources and data securely while collaborating on their research, right? Factors to consider before choosing a community cloud. It facilitates collaboration between organizations with similar goals. Cost sharing, so costs are spread across multiple organizations. And risk of community cloud is there is a potential risk of your data being stored alongside competitors' data, which raises privacy concerns since you are sharing the cloud with others, right? Public cloud. This model is made available to the general public or large industry group and is owned by an organization selling cloud services. This is the most widely used model. Public clouds like Amazon Web Services, AWS or Microsoft Azure are open to general public, right? Small startups often use public clouds because they offer affordable, scalable solutions without the need for heavy upfront investments, right? factors to consider are scalability. It is highly scalable and flexible, often cost effective due to shared resources. Some of the risks of public cloud are your data might be stored in unknown locations, and security concerns. Since others share the infrastructure, there is a higher inherent risk compared to private models. And inherent risk is the risk which is present without putting any security controls. I have discussed more in details about inherent risk and residual risk in my earlier video and how to calculate it, which you can go and watch for better understanding. Next is hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud combines two or more clouds, which can be private, community, or public cloud. It is bounded by technology which enables data and application portability. Application portability is ability of any application to run across different computing environments like cloud platforms, operating systems, or hardwares without requiring significant modifications, right? For example, a retail company might use a hybrid cloud where sensitive customer data is stored in a private cloud while less sensitive information is managed in the public cloud, right? Factors to consider before choosing hybrid cloud. It offers flexibility by combining different cloud types, allows optimization of existing infrastructure, security and compliance. And some risks of hybrid cloud. Managing multiple cloud environments can be complex. Ensuring consistent security policies across different cloud models is essential. So, choosing the right cloud deployment model depends on your specific needs. Each model has its own advantages. Consider factors like security, scalability, cost, and flexibility, which we discussed in the start of the video before making your decision, right? If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more such content. See you soon with another topic, another video. Till then, take care, bye bye. Consider joining me on LinkedIn.